but you know, it's your girl Shana here, and my page has a new name, World of Melanins, and I'm just here to talk about my lifestyle change. For a long time, I've been wanting to like change my lifestyle, and then like I recently found out that I have fibroids, so I'm like, and I've been doing some research, and I was checking out that I seen a couple stuff saying that meat can cause fibers to grow and stuff, so I decided to like cut meat out and start to follow a pescatarian diet. Well, it's short, so I don't really have like much of a take on it other than like it makes you, when you go to the bathroom, like you don't smell nothing. Like it's amazing. And like I don't know, like you can even use public restrooms now and nothing. You don't smell anything. So it's been good so far. It's been a month, as I said, and I've also started for like 2 weeks now. I've started the intermittent fasting. That is going well, because without no workout or like no exercise or anything, I was able to drop like 15 pounds in 2 weeks. So it's going good, especially that with the pescatarian diet. You know, you're not adding no meat, no dairy, none of them stuff that's not healthy for you. So basically you stop putting in garbage in your body. And like I drink a lot of green tea, and then is this other tea that I also drink. It's honey and ginger. I love that tea. I drink it a lot. So it's been going alright. You know, I've started a new job and like all of this going on, so I have yet to start incorporating workout in my routine and stuff, but I'm pretty sure if I'm seeing a lot of results right now, as long as I start putting in like putting in the work of like working out and stuff, I would get it. And I'm gonna start meal prepping, because I realized that that would be much easier for me, because with my intermittent fasting, I eat only twice a day, and I try to keep it under a certain amount of calories. I am right now I'm like a 1300 calories. Sometimes I go below that, like under 1,000, but I know that's not good for you. But sometimes I go below that. I forget to eat, and I pick sleep over eating any day. Like when I want to sleep, I want to sleep. So yeah, but that's about it. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. And document my results more and see how it goes as soon as I start doing like workouts and stuff. I'm gonna start doing weightlifting. I know that helps with losing weight and cardio, so I'm gonna start doing like that. But or I probably even get like a personal trainer, but I know all of us can't afford that. So I'm gonna try to do as best as I can, budget friendly, and keep you guys updated to see like what's going on with me and how's the journey going. I call it a lifestyle change because I really want to keep it up. I don't want to just lose weight just because, and then like a few months or a few years from now pack it back on. Like I want to change my lifestyle. I want to stop putting in garbage in my body, like garbage as in like fried food and stuff like that, because it helps to make your body deteriorate, like seriously. So we just gotta start taking care of our body. We only got one body, and you should just take care of it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll keep you updated. You can like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.